Hi, this is Tania and welcome to my channel Chef Tania Rannaghar. Today I'm making chicken keema curry. So let's start the process. First chop some onions, then make a paste with tomatoes, ginger and garlic. Now let's commence with the main process. Take a karai and add oil into it. Make sure the oil is warm enough. Add chopped onions into it. Fry the onions until it turns golden brown. After the onions are done, add the tomatoes, ginger and garlic paste into it. Cook it thoroughly so that no raw smell is left. After 3 to 4 minutes of cooking, add some spices such as salt, turmeric, coriander, cumin, Kashmiri red chili and red chili powder. Cook the spices properly. Add a sprinkle of water so that the spices don't get overcooked. When the spices start releasing oil, add 1 tablespoon of ghee in it and mix them well. Now add the keema chicken in it. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes in high flame and stir it continuously. After 3 to 4 minutes of cooking, close the karai with a lid. Turn the flame down and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover the lid and add some water in it. Close the lid again and cook the chicken completely. Here is a small tip for the beginners. While frying the onions, stir them continuously, otherwise it will get burnt. After the chicken gets cooked, add some garam masala, black pepper powder, fresh cream, sugar, kasuri methi, slitted green chili, julienne cut ginger, fresh coriander leaves and butter at last. Mix them well with all ingredients. Your chicken keema is ready. Serve it with fresh coriander leaves, ginger, butter from the top. Enjoy it with rumali roti. See you again in the next video. Till then, tata.